I'm Amy. I want to say a really big thank you to all of the very generous donors to the Otago Medical Research Foundation for allowing me the opportunity to undertake research this summer period. Estrogen is a really important chemical in each and every one of our bodies. It has many important functions, including regulating how cells, which are the building blocks of our bodies, grow. However, something many people don't know is that estrogen can actually increase our chances of developing breast cancer. Estrogen is like a key, which turns a lock that is the estrogen receptor. When the key is turned, it encourages cells within the breast tissue to grow more rapidly. This means that the chance of developing breast cancer increases, and the chance of existing breast cancer cells growing increases. Now, you may have heard of dioxin. It's a persistent environmental pollutant that's produced as a result of many industrial processes. While we know dioxin can cause lots of different cancers, interestingly, it can actually prevent breast cancer. Dioxin effectively acts to block the lock. As the key can't enter the lock, the cells don't grow as fast, and the chance of developing breast cancer decreases again. Now, we thought we had this model pretty well down. However, a key study from Italy has thrown a bit of a spanner in the works. While the risk decreases initially, in individuals exposed to large amounts of dioxin, after 20 years, the risk of breast cancer increases again. My research aims to answer the question of how dioxin can reduce breast cancer risk at low amounts, but increase the risk at high amounts. If we know more about how toxicity occurs, we'll be able to better treat individuals who are exposed to this toxin, and thus improve their health outcomes.